Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all Wi-Fi related issues. Wi-Fi is not working, Wi-Fi is connected but no internet, all these issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, go to system, go down, go to reset options, tap on reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, tap on this reset button. Done. See the message, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi have been reset. This reset operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete photos, videos, contacts, anything. It just reset only the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi settings. After this reset operation, you can go back. Then you can connect this mobile phone to Wi-Fi router. That should work. So this way we can reset Wi-Fi settings and fix all Wi-Fi related issues. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.